Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Atlantic Hurricane Simulator. So this is a fun game that I found out last night, and it's just like a simulation of the hurricane season. And it's pretty cool. And so now I'm going to play it with you all. So if you don't know who created this video, his name's Vanilla_Wizard, and he's a pretty cool guy. He creates a lot of fun games like these. So I'll show you how fun this game actually is. Oh wow, perfect timing there. Okay. So we're gonna have it on times 1 speed. We're gonna put the controller apocalyptic. Oh my god. Oh, just forget it. Okay, control average temperature. Activity controls. Unrealistic. Spawn rate. Okay, we have Hurricane Arthur on the floor. Oh, he's evolving into a major hurricane. Wait, not yet. Bertha. Oh, now he's a major hurricane. It's Tropical Storm Bertha. Oh, Hurricane Bertha. Major. Oh. That sucks. Oh yeah, you can also spawn a storm. So I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it my name. So this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna set it in the location, and I'm gonna make it all the way up here in Canada. I'm gonna make it form over the island of Prairie. No offense if I pronounce that wrong. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, looks like Cristobal is gonna be the most damaging storm, and it is made inland on New Orleans. That's insane. But yeah, Arthur has 11 days worth of lives, and Eduard is about to hit Washington D.C. and Arthur is following its path. No, not my tropical storm. It's not doing good. Oh man, D.C. is about to take a beating. If Faye continues on this path, unrealistic hurricane by Arthur. Oh, lowest pressure, Cristobal. But Arthur has a chance. Arthur does have a chance. Oh yes, Hurricane Jackson. I'm too good, guys. Oh, it's a category 2. Oh yes, I'm a major hurricane. I'm too good, guys. Oh, it's a C4. It's a category 4. Oh, Arthur took a turn for the unexpected. Faye is about to hit Orlando. Arthur. This is funny because Arthur last night was the longest living hurricane. And it's also the longest living hurricane if you look at the top. But Faye is huge. Oh, Arthur about to hit St. John's and Halifax. Tropical Storm Hannah looks like it's going to hit the island of Cuba. And Orlando. Oh, my hurricane's turning into 6. Let's go, guys. Oh, Hannah's strength is rapidly increasing. Arthur is a post remain, whatever. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Okay, once we get to hurricane like 100, we're at 11 storms already. Once we get to 100 hurricanes. Oh yes, I have the highest winds, and I have the lowest pressure. Yes. wanted mine to be the most damaging. Okay, looks like Josephine's gonna be hitting Santo Domingo. That's nice. So that means I gotta create one more storm until it like wipes out the entire Earth. Okay, start location. Right on that island of Praria. Oh, time to wreck Cuba. That's this. Oh wait, that's the island that is right in the middle of Santo Domingo. Well, hold on. Yep, Orlando and Cancun. It's right there in the middle. But I don't have like a pointer tool to show you guys. That's gonna be the goal for my next video. I'm gonna spawn this storm. It's gonna be the best storm you've ever seen. Marco. An unrealistic hurricane. Major Hurricane Kyle is going... I don't know. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I don't even get it. Just... Oh, Marco? No. Bro, okay, now... My storm will be better than both of you. It will be a hypercane. You guys are so mean. Oh, Hypercane Marco! No! No, bro, I didn't want it to be that. I wanted mine to be that. This makes me mad. It's gonna be so hard to beat that. Hurricane Jax. Come on. We can do this, guys. So last night when I was playing this, I put a hurricane as Jackson, and I got like 5 trillion damage. I think the total damage goes in by like cost of damage. Oh, we're gonna have to go to 50 storms because. Oh, absorb Pollock. Absorb Pollock. Come on, come on. That's gonna make you like huge. It's gonna make you ripped, bro. Okay, Marco's gonna be... Come on, we're gonna hit the coast. We're gonna hit the coast. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! Unrealistic hurricane, let's go. And just in case our storm's a failure, we're gonna put in another Jackson. We're gonna set a start location. Okay, wait, no, we're not starting over there. My bad. We're gonna start on the Praria. No. We're gonna end destination up here. But we're gonna change. No, we can't change it. Okay. Our guy was a failure.
Why are you talking to me?
Okay. What? Oh, I don't want to set it all the way over there. See what I have to deal with all the time. Oh, come on. I just want... Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. I did it. Wait. Finally. Tropical Depression 24. Archer's still going? I thought he died at 28 days. Oh my god, that's just dumb. Dumb. Tropical Storm Jackson. Wilfred? Oh. Wilfred just got lost in the sea last time I played with him. Let's check this job. Okay, we're gonna go until this Jackson hurricane hits until it hits, or until it dies out. Oh, Santo Domingo getting wrecked this hurricane season. Oh no, you can't do that. Beta B is about to get absorbed by Wilfred. Oh, unrealistic Hurricane Jackson! Let's go! Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. Why are you losing strength? I want you to wreck the coast of New York and wreck everywhere you see. Is it that hard? Oh, come on. As soon as we go to... Like, why? Just why, bro?